What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a wig installation, and I am going to be installing this Vice Unit 7 synthetic wig. This wig was $41. I know, 41 bucks. It's super cheap. It's something very different. I have never done a wig in this color. I've never done a wig this long either. But I'm trying something different. So here we go. So I'm just putting on the wig cap, and I am using Got To Be glue spray just to seal it. And then I'm going to be trimming that off, and then using my makeup, using my makeup, brushing over the cap, and putting this wig on. Okay, so I'm ready to install this wig. This is how it's looking. This is how the package looks. And I went ahead and put this wig on, and I like the color. It's very different. I like that the blonde streaks in it, and it matches my skin tone really nicely. It has one comb in the back and two combs in the front. Of course, you don't really need to use the comb if you plan on sticking it down. But if you don't want to stick it down, you actually don't have to, because the wig fits really snug and nice that you don't even have to stick it down and do all this rah-rah. You could just put it on just so. And I think it will look really, really nice. And as you can see, as soon as I put it down, the part is really nice. It lays really flat. Of course, I have a whole bunch of hair underneath it. I could have gotten it to lay a little flatter if I had braided my hair smaller, but I was being lazy, so I have like 5 jumbo braids underneath there. So right now I'm just going ahead and I'm going to be cutting the lace off and sticking the lace down. I'm not plucking anything. It said it's already pre-plucked a little bit. It have a little pre-pluckedness to it. I'm not one to pluck wigs, so I'm just leaving it as is.
Take it, I've come to take it. Kingdoms rise and fall, I've come
Okay, so I didn't want to do like nothing dramatic with the baby hairs, but I did want to do like a little baby hairs just to give it a little different look. So I did go ahead and do a little baby hairs off camera, nothing too major, lay it down with some mousse and untie it. And that was pretty much it. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments down below. Let me know what y'all think about this wig. I mean, it's 41 bucks, so you get what you get. It does shed. It sheds and it has flyaways, but like I said, it's a synthetic wig, so I can't expect any different. But for the most part, if you're looking for like a quick little hairstyle and you're looking for a different look, this will do it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.